Good morning, dear hearts. Lesson 191. I am the Holy Son of God Himself. Now, this is one of those I am lessons, and we know that the statement I am is really one of the most powerful ones that we can ever enunciate. It is so powerful because what it is telling us is it is a recognition of who we are. I am the Holy Son of God Himself. This lesson starts out by saying, here's your declaration of release from bondage of the world. The world, as we experience it, as we see it, this egoic world is truly a world of chaos and pain. And yesterday's lesson was about choosing the joy of God instead of choosing the pain. But this lesson goes on, and you can see how they link together so beautifully, and there's other parts of this lesson that do as well. But this lesson is going on to say this is our declaration of our release from this bondage that we have made. It is a self-made bondage, and that is one of the things we have to realize. And that can be sort of like a double-edged sword here, because one, to realize that we made it also means that we can certainly undo it. This lesson is telling us that, really the only thing that is holding us here is our allegiance to this world. And we have to start to deny the identity that we made in favor of the identity of what is true and what is real. Now, this lesson in paragraph 4 has a couple of things that just are going to jump out at you, I guess, what they did at me. First of all, it says, you are as God created you. That is that lesson. I am as God created me, that we had had 3 times within the workbook, and it has part 1 of the workbook, and it has been identified as a giant stride. It is that recognition of who we really are. I am as God created me. And this lesson says you are as God created you. And in this same paragraph, I'm always saying about 1, the recurring number of 1 in the course. And it says, after it says that you are as God created you, all else but this one thing is folly to believe. In this one thought is everyone set free. In this one truth, all illusions gone. In this one fact, sinlessness proclaimed to be forever part of everything, the central core of its existence and its guarantee of immortality. Accepting that number 1 into our life to see all of the implications that it gives us, all of the strength that it gives us. One thought, one fact, one truth, one mind, one Son of God. I am the Holy Son of God Himself. This lesson goes on to tell us, and it also says one holy thought in the next paragraph, that hell can actually be easily undone. We do not have to stay in a hell-filled mind thought. We can release it. There's a prayer in this lesson that says, I am the Holy Son of God Himself. I cannot suffer, cannot be in pain. I choose the joy of God instead of pain. I cannot suffer loss, nor fail to do all that salvation asks. The salvation of the world depends on me. How these link in together, they keep coming back to us so that we can truly understand. The lesson in paragraph 9 that says, all power is given unto you in earth and heaven. There is nothing that you cannot do. And then it says, yet when you accord it mercy when you accord it mercy, this world mercy, will its mercy shine on you. I give but to myself. All that I give, I receive. And then in paragraph 10, it does talk again, it talks about salvation. And again, the salvation of the world depends on me. It depends on each one of us individually. We have to unite with our light, so that in doing so we become that power. As it says, all power is given unto us. And this mistaken world, this unreal world, will be transformed, and it will now become a reflection of heaven on earth, as it is meant to be. And the last paragraph of this lesson says, they must wait your own release. The rest of the world has to wait on our own release. Why? Because I cannot give what I do not have. So, and it asks, is your heart not willing to bring your weary brothers rest? Are we going to be selfish, which is being the ego, and not extend God's love and freedom to everyone? It says, our brothers, they must wait your own release, because we cannot give what we do not have. They stay in chains till you are free. They cannot see the mercy of the world until you find it yourself. They suffer pain until you have denied its hold on you. I choose the joy of God instead of pain. And our brothers die till you accept your own eternal life. You are the Holy Son of God Himself. Remember this, and all the world is free. Remember this, and earth and heaven are one. That's it for today. I hope this was helpful. I hope this is all becoming so incredibly intertwined and woven, and makes such great sense, this beautiful spiritual tapestry that we are putting together. So I hope it was helpful. I hope you like it. I hope you share it. I hope you subscribe, and I hope you are back here tomorrow. Namaste.